Hey guys, this is Cat number 5 Van here. We're gonna do a better video while it's daytime of my Hoover Elite from 1988, my Hoover Elite 200 bag vacuum, and how this just pops off. I can't do it one-handed, but well, this just pops up like this, and oh, all right. I'll have to show that later. But I'm gonna put this camera down here. But what this would do is just pops off and you pull that off. But yeah, it's hard to do one-handed. But I have it takes type A bags, but I have a Dirt Devil bag in there. And we're gonna plug this in, we're gonna turn it on. Okay. So yeah, today's Saturday, January 27th, 2018. So I can get this cord unhooked here. Untangled. It's tangled up. There we go. This Hoover is really not that loud, like my Featherlight. My Featherlight's really loud. So here we go. And what I like about this vacuum cleaner, the switch is on the side, right there. Right. Can't really see it, but it's right there. It's black switch, and the cord comes from on the top. The handle release is still good on it. What I like about this too, it stands like that, just like that. And yeah. So I'm gonna run this now. Okay, and that is my 1988 Hoover Elite 200 bag vacuum. And let me see if I can set this camera down here somewhere, so I can untie this. Set it. Let's see. I'll have to set it over here. This just pops up like this. Okay, got the hard part, and this just comes off, slides right off, and here's the bag, the U bag Dirt Devil from mine. And I had to throw away my 2005 Dirt Devil Swivel Glide due to problems with the handle release. The handle release that broke on it. So, alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm going to try to get this thing back on. Alright, have a great day. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.